Hello guys, how you all doing? My name is Etiosa. If this is your first time of watching my video, you are highly welcome to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor by clicking the subscribe button down below, and as well don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make whitening black soap. So this black soap that I'm about to make is going to help you get rid of blemishes, black spots, redness. It's going to treat your skin, and as well it's going to treat your spots. If you have spot pimple, you can actually use black soap on your face. So this is how we'll be needing to make this black soap. First, we'll be needing 2 wraps of Ghana black soap. So this is it. Then we'll be making use of ozone soap. This is optional guys. If you wish to add this, please, if you're adding 2 balls of your Ghana black soap, make sure you're adding 1 wrap of ozone soap. So this is my ozone soap. I already grated this. As you guys know, ozone soap have different color. It has pink, green, blue, and yellow. So this is what I got. So we'll be making use of 1 wrap of ozone soap. Then I'll be adding in my perfect leg serum, which is very good. This is going to serve as an anti-stretch mark, and it's going to help you get rid of black spots, redness, varicose vein, tattooing, blue vein, and scars. It's very good for the skin, and also it's going to lighten your skin. And then we'll be making use of anti-pimple whitening balls. So making use of about 5 to 6 balls of this. So this is how it looks. Then making use of shea butter. So we have to make our shea butter guys. We make use of shea butter. Then I'm making use of turmeric powder. We make use of turmeric powder, which is very important for black soap. This is going to help lightening your skin, and as well it's going to help you treat anti-wrinkles, black spots, and the rest. And then I'll be adding in my whitening glycerin. This is optional guys. If you do not have whitening glycerin, you can skip this. So I'm not going to advise you add vegetable glycerin. If you wish to add vegetable glycerin, that's fine. I don't really like to add in vegetable glycerin to my black soap because it intends to stop it from lathering. So that's one of the reasons why I advise you try to add in the whitening glycerin instead of the vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is going to serve as a moisturizer, so you can just switch it by using shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil. So that's it. And then we'll make use of honey, which is very important for black soap. Make sure you get your organic honey. And then we'll be making use of mustard seed oil. This is optional guys. If you don't have mustard seed, you can make use of almond oil or jojoba oil. And then I'll be making use of collagen extract. I just have a little bit of my collagen extract. And then I'll be adding in vitamin E oil, which is also very important. And then we'll be adding in lavender essential oil, tea tree essential oil. Then I'll be adding in my rosehip oil. Then my 7 days exclusive whitenizer serum. So I'll be adding this to it. Then I'll be adding in neem powder. Neem powder is very good for pimple, rashes, and black spots. And then I'll be adding in my orange essential oil. Then I'll be adding in my snow white powder. You can use kojic powder instead of snow white powder, in which you can even make use of the two. These 2 powders are very good for black soap. And then I'll be adding in my sulfur powder. Then I'll be adding in my licorice powder. Licorice powder is very good. This is going to help lighten your skin and as well give you even skin tone. You really need to add licorice powder. It's very good for black soap. If you have rice powder as well, you can add in rice powder. And then I'll be making use of sunflower oil. Then I'll be adding in a little bit of lactic acid. You have to be careful in the kind of quantity. I'm just going to put all the quantity you'll be needing to make this black soap. Please make sure you add in a little bit of lactic acid. And then I'll be adding in my Shalom stretch mark oil. This is going to serve as an anti-stretch mark. Then I'll be adding in my cinnamon powder, which is very good for black soap. If you have camwood powder or mulberry powder, you can make use of those powder. Those are very good for black soap. And then I'll be adding in my vitamin C powder. So I'll be adding in my vitamin C powder. So this is very optional guys. It's very important, sorry guys. So all we need to do now is to pieces our soap in our mortar. So we're going to be making use of mortar. If you have any other thing that you know it will be convenient for you to mix this, you can use it to mix it. This is my containers, guys. This is what I will be storing in my black soap. So let me take you guys through the process. Lest I forget, we'll be adding in sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is very, very good for black soap. Make sure you add this into your black soap. Here is my black soap. So this is how it looks, guys. This is how the Ghanaian black soap looks. So I'm going to pieces it in my mortar. Alright guys, there's something I want to tell you guys. This mortar is basically made for my production. I don't use it to pound any food item or whatever. Please make sure you get something that you'll be using for your production, like DIYs like this. Make sure you don't use your mortar to cook, and before you use it, make sure you wash it very, very well. Either you wash it very, very well, or after you done washing it, you can just add in spray it with alcohol to avoid germs and dirty from your black soap. The second one, then I add in my ozone soap. Mind you, I'm not going to ferment this black soap or use water. I'm not using water. So I'm just going to use all the ingredients I just mentioned to you guys earlier. So now whitening boards. So I'm going to be adding in 7 of this. So this is a little bit strong. You can get something to pound it, or you just grind it. So since I'm using mortar, so it's going to make it very, very easy for me. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of my cinnamon powder. Then I'm adding in my vitamin C powder. I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons of my vitamin C powder. Make sure you don't use the same spoon you use in measuring your cinnamon to do this, so you won't spoil your. And then I'm adding in my sandalwood powder. And please, when you are making black soap, make sure you add in all your powders before the oils and the serum. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of my sandalwood powder. Then next thing I'm going to add is my localized powder. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of my localized powder. So next thing I'm going to add in is my snow white powder. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons as well. So next thing I'll be adding in is my neem powder. So I'm going to be adding in 1.5 tablespoons of my neem powder. Then I add in my turmeric powder. So I'm going to be adding in full 2 tablespoons of my turmeric powder. Then I'll add in 1 tablespoon of my sulfur. This. And then you mix with your hand, or you try to get. Then you mix before adding in your oils and serums. So if you know that you're not comfortable with using your hand, you can wear your hand gloves or your gloves. I don't know what they call it. So I'm just going to stir this together before adding in the rest of my ingredients. So then I'm done mixing it. I have to add in all my oils now. So first I'm going to be adding in my my shea butter. So I melted this with double boiler method. I'm going to add in my shea butter. So then I'm going in with my mustard seed oil. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of my mustard seed oil. Then I add in my collagen extracts. So that's all I have left. Then I add in my sunflower oil. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil to this. So the next thing I'll add in is my vitamin E oil. 1 full tablespoon of my vitamin E oil. That's a little bit too much. So next thing I will be adding is my whitening glycerin. So I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of my whitening glycerin. The next thing I'm going to add is my lactic acid. So I'm just going to add in 1 tablespoon of my lactic acid. So I will be adding in my perfect leg serum. So I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of my perfect leg serum. Then I will be adding in my skin-free milk. I forgot to mention this earlier, so I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of my skin-free milk to it. I like skin-free milk in my black soap, so if you don't want to add it, you can just skip it. So I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of my Shalom stretch mark oil. The next thing I'll be adding is my rosehip oil. So I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of my rosehip oil. So I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of my lemon. I said lemon. I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of my honey. So this is my pure organic honey. So that's my 3 tablespoons of honey. So I'll be adding in my orange essential oil. I'll just be adding in 2.5 tablespoons, which is a teaspoon of. I'll be adding in 1/2 tablespoon, which is a teaspoon of tree essential oil. The next thing I'll be adding in is my 5 days exclusive whitenizer serum. So I just have half of this, so I'm going to pour in everything. I think this is probably should be about 1 tablespoon, or you can just add in the full bottle if you have available. So I'm not adding in everything. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to pound. So this is going to take a little while. See why I said you shouldn't ferment it with water, because by the time you ferment this with water, it's going to be too light. So I just want it to be very, very thick. So you can add in preservative if you wish to add in, or you can just leave it like that. So I'm not adding in preservative to this because this is my personal use. And if you add lemon juice, you can add in your preservative, because lemon juice is just what I add with. You might just do some certain things. So that's one reason why you should, but when you are adding lemon juice to your product, you always try to add in your preservative. So there's no lemon juice in this. You can add in lemon juice if you wish to add it to it. So I don't just want that, because I already have lactic acid in this, and my neem powder, and as well I have in my orange essential oil, so that's okay for me. So you have to keep on pounding.
Alright guys, here's my soap. I've been pounding this for about 2 hours guys. Oh, this is so difficult, it's not easy at all, but I've been able to pound it, and the consistency is very, very nice. The color is so beautiful. So you can just try to use the soap or make it as well. It's very good and very nice. I use this is what I've been using. I don't buy my soap, I make my soap myself. This is my pure organic black soap, which is good for all skin type, and this is going to whiten your skin. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is the finishing of my soap. It's so pretty and this is going to work for you. I will advise you guys to try it and put a comment down below if you like this video. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe guys. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.